welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this anti-fatigue placemat. Let's go ahead and just open this up and get right into this video. I'm actually getting my living room and my room done with wood flooring this week, so I'm super excited about that. And I figured this would definitely come in handy, having more flooring like that. So that is how it comes packaged. And as you can see, this is about how big it is. It's about the size of a normal like kitchen placemat, so pretty good size. And as you can see, it has the rounded edges so that it's anti-slip, so you're not gonna slip on it. The material is made out of like a plastic, so it's easy to wipe. Like if you spill something on it, you can easily wipe it down and it's not gonna mess up anything. And on the bottom, it is actually a non-slip. It has these little grooves inside of it, which will help it not to move around when it's placed down. And as you can see right here, it has a really good cushion to it. So let's go ahead and go place this in the kitchen. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. I do have it in front of my refrigerator. It's a really good size, and sometimes my kids will actually spill water, so I want to show you. So you just spill a little bit of water. It is waterproof, so you don't have to worry. You just grab a rag and you can wipe it right up, just like that. And as you can see, you're good to go. So super nice. Like I said, it is rounded on the edges so that you won't trip over it when walking, and has a really good texture to it. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye, God bless.